Well, that's like a meter depth of the snow. I don't know if you can see it, but there's, well, that's my hand, and that's the top of the snow on this side and on the other side. Look at that. Just look at that. And look at that. It's just plainly ridiculous. And if you have a snowboard, it would be nice to, ski over this kind of snow. Well, you probably won't snow in the cemetery, literally. Well, it looks nice. Well, there's finally someone walking on the road. Is walking toward me. Hopefully she's not gonna think I'm stupid or crazy or something. Holding a camera, looking like an idiot, walking this kind of weather. Well, I'm a foreigner. What do I care? Come on. There's some kind of road work ahead of us. I don't know what they're doing over there, but it seems like they're digging something. I mean, under the ground, not under the snow. If you want to drive in this kind of weather, you have to dig out your car out of snow every now and then. So, I guess Syracuse people really digging it, isn't it? Well, that's another school bus. The road is getting narrower. I better be careful. Oh. There's kind of a warning light of low battery showing on my camera. I really hope it will last when I arrive at my school, because the campus looks really beautiful. Well, in this kind of weather. But don't get me wrong, it looks beautiful in summers, in all that kind of weather too. But, you don't see that a lot in other campuses, especially if you live in like California or Florida or something. You see that red car over there? It looks like a Corolla or something. You have to dig out your car from a pile of snow like that. Actually, we did that to my roommate's car last night. It took us like 30 or 40 minutes to do that. It's a lot of fun. You're welcome to join us every time, anytime. Finally, I got to see some pavement up ahead. There is a Islamic society. Now probably you can see better what it looks like walking in all this kind of snow, piling beside you, and FYI, all this kind of snow looks like stiff, but they're actually really, you know, soft and fluffy, as you can see. So, if you want, like I did last night, you can run and jump and dive into the snow. It's a lot of fun. Well, there's a giant shark that collects the snow. Well, somewhere. Oh look, there's another student up ahead. And because there's so much snow piling upon those trees, every time there's a breeze or a squirrel that's stamped on the tree, the snow will fall down and then knocking other snows below it. So it looks like snowing, but it's actually not. Well, I decided to take another way because this path is where I do my on-campus job. It's really slippery and dangerous. So I guess I'm only doing this once. Look at all those snows. Well, this building is called Women's Building. It's like a dedication to female rights or something, and that's basically where I work at Syracuse. Well, part-timely. Look at that. Look at that. That's almost as high as my waist. Oh my lord. Morning. Well, here we come at our campus. As you can see, well, I don't know what to say. All those are fraternities and sorority buildings of those small buildings, and those giant ones are the school buildings. Here used to be a tennis court. I guess you can play snowball here. It will be interesting if you have a game like snow tennis or something. This is actually my last day of class, so hopefully after today I don't even need to walk in this kind of horrible weather anymore, except for the days that I'm gonna take my test. A few days later, wish me luck. Look at those snows. Something messed up with my lens. I guess it's just snow. Well, here we are on the campus in the snow. Well, I don't know if you can see it from here, but that round top building, rounded top building, far in that corner, is called the Carrier Dome. It's our home court for football, home field for football team and for basketball team. Oh, it's really cold. My leaves are numb. This is my school building. It's called the Link Hall. I could use the entrance on that way, but I decided to show you our court in the center of our campus. And that building is called the Hendrick Chapel. Isn't it just beautiful? Oh, I guess I've been holding this camera for too long. My arm's getting sore. Well, here I am in front of my school building, and I'm going in for my class. So that's about it. Alright. Go Orange.